Hello everyone. Today we will solve a math question together. Before we start, you can like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Let's get started. If you want, you can find the correct answer and write it in the comment. First of all, let's write our question. Here we will use 3 rules. Our first rule is the exponent of exponents. In this case, the exponents are multiplied. Our second rule is that we can write a number as an exponent. If you write 125 as an exponent, it becomes 5 to the power of 3. Here we apply our first rule, 3 times minus 1 over 3. The result of this operation is negative 1. Let's write instead. Our last rule is that in exponents, the number is reversed when the exponent is negative 1. If we reverse 5 to the power of negative 1, we find the answer 1 over 5. This question is yours. Let's find the answer and write it in the comments. See you in the new video.